I'm going to take a look at this 4-in-1 pool skimmer net kit from LAANPOLE and see how it handles real-world cleanup. Right out of the box, this is more than just a basic skimmer. It's a full cleaning setup. You're getting a heavy-duty skimmer net, fine mesh net, telescoping pole, and even a pull hook. So whether you're scooping leaves, grabbing debris, or fishing something out of the deep, it's all covered in one kit. The first thing you'll notice is the size of the net. This has a wide opening and a deep pocket, which means you can collect a lot more debris in a single pass. If you've ever spent 20 minutes chasing leaves around the surface, you'll appreciate being able to knock that out in just a few sweeps. In fact, my first cleaning when I opened my pool, I got the job done in about a quarter of the time compared to using a standard skimmer. That freed up a lot of my Saturday to do other things. The bigger capacity and deeper net really makes a noticeable difference. Build quality is solid too. The frame is made from aluminum alloy, so it's lightweight, but still strong enough to handle heavier loads, wet leaves, sticks, even the occasional soggy mess at the bottom. It doesn't flex or feel flimsy when you're putting some pressure on it. The pole extends out about 12 feet, which gives you plenty of reach for both above ground and in-ground pools. And since it's telescoping, you can shorten it up for tighter areas and extend it all the way out when you need that extra distance. One of the standout features here is the fine mesh net. This isn't just for big debris, it'll catch the small stuff too. Bugs, tiny leaf fragments, and all that floating junk that makes your water look dirty, even when it technically isn't. It lets water pass through easily while holding on to the debris, which makes cleanup more efficient. It has that quick connect button system, and it has an included pull hook that's actually more useful than you'd think. Something drops to the bottom like a toy, rope, or even a life jacket, you can attach it to the pool and retrieve it without getting in the water. It's a really practical all-in-one solution for pool and even pond maintenance. It's durable, easy to use, and covers everything from big debris to fine particles. If you're tired of juggling multiple tools or dealing with flimsy net that barely gets the job done, this setup is a solid upgrade that makes routine cleaning a whole lot faster.